If your kitchen cupboards are overflowing with single-purpose gadgets, one for chopping, one for blending, another for grinding, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet Starter Kit is here to simplify your life. This compact, all-in-one food processor and blender is designed to replace an army of appliances, tackling virtually any food prep task in as little as 10 seconds. Despite its small footprint, it packs a punch with a 10,000 revolutions per minute motor and a high-torque power base, proving that great things really do come in small packages. The Magic Bullet is all about versatility. You can chop onions without shedding a tear, whip up fresh salsa for taco night, blend a creamy smoothie for breakfast, or even grind your own coffee beans for that perfect morning brew. With lock-on mode, you can blend continuously for silky soups, smooth salad dressings, or perfectly pureed baby food. Prefer a chunkier texture? The Pulse mode gives you precision control for dips, chopped vegetables, and chunky sauces. Using it couldn't be easier. The 4-piece kit includes everything you need: a high-torque power base, a tall cup for blending or chopping, a cross blade for most tasks, and a flip-top lid for drinks on the go. Just add your ingredients, twist on the blade, and place it on the base. It's that simple. When you're done, most parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes seconds instead of minutes. The Magic Bullet isn't just for kitchen prep. It's perfect for a busy lifestyle. Thanks to the flip-top lid, you can blend your protein shake, snap on the lid, and take it straight to the gym. Heading to work? Your breakfast smoothie travels with you. Even soups and iced drinks are easy to make and carry. It's also a great tool for healthy eating. With how quickly it processes ingredients, you're more likely to make fresh, nutritious meals and snacks instead of reaching for processed alternatives. Whether you're whipping up homemade hummus, blending a green smoothie, or chopping fresh veggies for dinner, the Magic Bullet makes it effortless. In short, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet Starter Kit earns its counter space. It's fast, compact, versatile, and perfect for anyone who wants fresh, delicious food with minimal effort. One device, countless possibilities. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.